Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been very long time since I've posted something on YouTube. I was active on Instagram by the way. I've been posting videos continuously over there. You can follow me over there. And about the ride, we are going to Kanyakumari and it's going to be solo. And I didn't plan anything much about the ride because మనం ఎన్ని ప్లాన్ చేసినా పక్కా ఫ్లాప్ అయిపోతాయి. So I thought why to put effort in planning. We're gonna go with slow, we're gonna go mad. Let's hope for a memorable ride. I cleaned my bike. And I started packing by the way. I made a list. Even though I made a list, I will definitely forget something. I'm a mess when it comes to packing. I'm gonna start tomorrow morning by the way. And that is the reason I'm doing this intro video now. Tomorrow when I get up, I'll just install everything on bike and just start my riding. Let's pack everything. Let's go to sleep. I will try to sleep. If I don't know if I can. Let's go to sleep. Wake up tomorrow early in the morning and let's start.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am all packed now, so I still haven't decided on which luggage system I should buy. So I thought until then let's go old school. I packed all my luggage in a duffel bag and I wrapped it with the tarpaulin and I tied it with the bungee cords. That's my tank bag. All my camera and electronics are on this or on that. This is all for clothes and other things, and my laptop is in my backpack. So there are few rituals before we start. నిమ్మకాయ కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టేసి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుందిగా. Hello, let's go. Jai Bajrangabali. Bye daddy. हाँ चलो last की start అయిపోయినాం. The thing with the solo rides is for the first few minutes there will be a little bit anxiety. Chalo, it's finally happening guys. Let's go. So about the ride, we are not going to Kanyakumari directly. First we're gonna go to Bapatla. I'm planning to cover whole south coastal area. I wanna do that So we go to Bapatla and then from there to Chennai to Pondicherry to Dhanushkodi to Kanyakumari. Let's hope for the best. The excitement starting now. It's like dream coming true. I was planning for this months ago, but I couldn't start because of lot of reasons. I was supposed to start a month ago and I got caught up with some work and then elections came in our state, so I thought let's use our right to vote. And then after elections there was this cyclone in Bay of Bengal, so I thought let's go after cyclone, and then I got sick, so we are starting now. Anyways, it's okay. At least we started. I thought not to stop for another 150 kilometers and I wanted to post some Instagram stories. Yeah, I don't want to stress myself to reach destination. I will stop whenever I want to stop. I'll go whenever I want to go. So let's search for a nice place to take some photos. I stopped here, posted a nice Instagram story. ఇక ఇప్పటికెళ్ళి స్టోరీలు రైడ్లు all diversions. I think today's ride gonna be boring. It's all diversions, highways and state national highways.
The reason I chose not to go to Kanyakumari directly is to avoid boring National Highway 44, and riding along the south coastal area sounded really challenging and adventurous.
I stopped for a water break and got few subscribers here. Right. Bye. Got few subscribers here. It's fun talking to random people. Everyone is very fascinated about biking. Everyone is interested in bikers. They will come talk to you. Chalo. So there are two routes to go to Bapatla from.
At first, I thought as Bapatla is the nearest beach to me and I can start my riding along the coastal area from there. But then, on the go, I got to know that Chirala is the nearest beach to me, so I changed my destination from Bapatla to Chirala.
ఎండ ఇచ్చి పడేస్తుంది. It's not about the heat, the issue is with the glare, the sun glare pointing right into my eyes. వస్తున్న కొద్ది రోడ్డు డేంజర్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫుల్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అమ్మ. I should have taken that national highway, I think. We are on Vijayawada highway now. We're gonna stay on this highway for few minutes or seconds maybe, and then we're gonna take right to Nalgonda. So if we take right from here, it will go into Nalgonda city. We don't have to go to into Nalgonda. We have to head towards Miryalaguda from here. But anyways, ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చినాం కాబట్టి, నల్గొండ దాకా వచ్చినాం కాబట్టి రేవంత్ అన్న పాటేసుకుందాం ఒకసారి. మూడు రంగుల జెండా చూడు సూర్యుడు మన రేవంత్ అన్న. This happens every time to me. నీ అమ్మ ఒక్క రెస్టారెంట్ కనిపిస్తలేదు, తిందామంటే దావాలు కూడా లేవు. ప్రతిసారి ఇంత అవుతుంది. మంచి మంచి రెస్టారెంట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడేమో ఏమంటారు, గోల్ రీచ్ అయినాక తిందాం అనుకుంటా. గోల్ రీచ్ అయినాకనేమో రెస్టారెంట్లు కనిపించాయి. అమ్మ విడిది అంట, జరుగుదాం ఇంట్లోకి. దగ్గర ఏముందేమో అక్కడ పార్క్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ఐ విల్ లీవ్ మై లగేజ్ హియర్. సో ఐ వాంట్ మై బైక్ ఇన్ మై సైట్. సో లెట్స్ పార్క్ హియర్.
I'm just having this veg fried rice because I had a sick stomach few days back, so risk ఎందుకని.
చలో, నాకు గొంతేస్తలేదు ఏమైందో. చలో, ఐ హ్యాడ్ మై లంచ్. I had a veg fried rice which was decent. కానీ ఏమైందేమో, ఆడేం కలిపిండేమో కానీ కొంచెం తినాక నిండిపోయింది కడుపు. ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉంటే భగవానుడు అన్నం ఒక్కడే తింటుండే, కానీ ఇవాళ కాలేదు ఏమైందో. ఇట్స్ ఫైన్, ఇట్ వాస్ డీసెంట్. ద హోటల్ నేమ్ వాస్ విడిది, హోటల్ విడిది. And another 180 kilometers to Bapatla. I think we'll reach there by 6 PM maybe. I'll just go have a bath. If I had time, we'll go to beach. If not, I'll just go to sleep. Chalo, లెట్స్ గో. వీడేంద్ర అయ్యా ఎవడట్టు పోతుందో అర్థమైతే లేదు. More 67 kilometers and it's showing 2 hours for 67 kilometers. I get it why everyone is trying to overtake here. I'm tired of today's ride, man. Nothing interesting at all. It's just riding and riding and riding. No exploring. Nothing to see. The time is around 6:15 now and I'm still 12 kilometers from Chirala.
By the time I made it to Chirala, I was all tired, bored and exhausted. But we need to understand that to enjoy good times, we need to patiently navigate through all the rough patches.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్వామి మీరు? ఇక్కడ లోకలేనా? చీరాలేనా? రూమ్స్ ఎక్కడ బాగుంటుంది స్వామి?
సీ బ్రిడ్జ్ బాగుంటుంది.
సీ బ్రిడ్జా? ఓకే.
సీ బ్రిడ్జ్ అంటే బీచ్ ఎదురు కరెక్ట్గా.
ఓకే. ఎంత ఉంటాయి?
3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
అమ్మ అంతగానమంటే ఏం చేసుకుంటాం స్వామి? 1 night సింగిల్ నైట్ కోసం అని చెప్పేసి.
సింగిల్ నైట్ హై రే.
I felt like a celebrity for a second over there. They took few pictures with me. Felt nice. Chalo, let's go find a room. Kachudo task ante ikkada room linkudo task. I don't think there are many lodges here. There is this posh lodge which will cost me around 3,000 rupees per night. I will definitely will not go there. ఏం లేకపోతే రోడ్ మీద వండుకుంటా కానీ అక్కడికి మాత్రం పోను నేను.
చలో finally got the room. I got it for 500 rupees and the room is very basic, but I just need a place to crash. I'm gonna start early in the morning tomorrow. I didn't want it to overspend. Bed is neat and that is all I need. So I'll just bath, have some dinner and then I'll crash. We'll start early in the morning. That's it for today. It was pretty intense ride. The last 70 kilometers were pretty bad, but few guys came to me, asked for some pictures with me, and I felt very happy for that. So far it's a well spent day. Let's hope for good times tomorrow. Ride safe, keep exploring.